So this is why people say he's like a dog. Okay, I see now. All right. So this is how this manga starts, or this anime starts. Okay, we're in a alleyway. Guy's breathing kind of hard. I guess we're like in a that guy's orange hair. Whoever the protagonist is, that's who we are right now. Yeah, I gotta say, animation looks pretty darn good right now. The heck is he? Is he scared to open that door? Ooh. Okay, that was some good tense right there. Oh. Okay, he's back. I did see this in the second trailer. He's homeless. Hmm. This is interesting. I have no idea what's going on really. I mean, it's just a dude that's going to work. He was like in a weird shed. That's for sure. Doesn't have a car, doesn't have anything. He's just walking to work. Whoa, he already sold a kidney? Oh, and his right eye. God damn. Sold one of his nuts. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I thought this guy was gonna have still a lot of things on him, but I guess he's been... Wait, why is he spending that much, though? Okay. Who the fuck? Is that like a dog? Is that like something of a creature? Oh, okay, so he hunts devils, it looks like. That is an interesting creature, though. Okay, first opening. Let's see how this goes, because I know there's going to be 12 openings for this one. So let's see how the first one goes. What the fuck? What the fuck? All these characters, man, they all look interesting and funny. What the fuck? Did I just see the main character like be a dog for a moment? So it looks like this guy has something for this girl in the pink hair for some reason. Oh, okay. Why would he eat that? That is disgusting. Hey, but I gotta say, opening fucking spectacular as any opening that they put so much budget into. Opening is okay. Doesn't really stick to me right now. But I mean, as they say, this is only going to be the first opening out of many other openings. So this was okay. Oh, Jesus. Damn, that was a good animation right there. Damn, 400,000? Oh, Jesus Christ. Man, what does he own? How much does he own? What the heck? So this is why he's poor. Huh. Okay, I could see why a lot of people like this character because they could really relate to this guy. Oh, hey, slice of bread, let's go. Oh, so it was his dad's debt, but then it got fallen to the guy. Damn, what the fuck? Oh, his name is Deji. Oh, okay. Denji? Denji. That's his name. Is he actually gonna eat the cigarette? Whoa. Wow, really? Damn, he'll do anything. Damn, so this guy is like at the very bottom of the barrel, like legit. Nice one. I guess you'll do anything for cash, I guess. Ooh, damn, that bread though. Ooh, damn. So like is Denji a devil himself? Damn, dude. All he wants is to go on a dates with a girl, I guess. I think that's his dream. Oh, so that's his dream. He wants to be with a girl, I guess. Hmm. Okay, flashback. Is this like the only flashback we're ever gonna get for this protagonist? Wow, so he hung himself, the dad. Bastard. Yeah, his dad pretty much left nothing for him. God damn. That sound. Oh, that guy. Oh. What the fuck's happening? Oh, he's hurt. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna, well, of course he's gonna try to save it, right? Oh, dude, is he gonna like cut that skin off? Oh, this is gonna be interesting to see the animation. Oh, he just bites it. Okay. Damn, nothing's free in this world. Holy shit. Okay, this is gonna get very dark. I can already tell. How he's holding the goddamn creature. So throughout his whole life, he's been doing that. Wow. Fuck. I wonder how old he was during that past time. I actually thought that creature was like a toy, honestly, when I saw the trailer. I actually didn't think it was like a living thing. Yeah, I can see why so much people can relate to this guy. Oh, what the heck? Oh, shit. Is he dying? Oh, that, I mean, that actually just indicates one thing, that he's gonna die soon. Oh, so he has heart disease, it looks like. Okay, so far, pacing, pretty good. Pretty good. I gotta give that. Hmm. Dreaming. And not much going on here. Just going, going to an abandoned place, to kill some devils. Wait a minute. Just gonna kill him? Nah, nah, nah. Hmm. Hmm. Wait. Oh, they're just gonna fucking kill him, huh? What? Wait. Did he just get stabbed? He just got stabbed. Oh, damn. He got stabbed right in the middle. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the heck? Oh my god, so they made a deal with a devil? Oh, interesting. Wait, so why does the old man want to become a, you know, I guess a devil? Because he'll just end up like a zombie devil, right? He's pretty much a dead man. I mean, wait, oh shit, he could still move. Okay, he has the power, the willpower. That's for sure. Oh, but he's like in bad shape. Like even before then, like I'm pretty sure he doesn't have enough protein to like muster the strength to do something else. Yeah, I gotta give them this. They really exceed the animation pretty good for the transitions. That's for sure. Oh fuck, that is not good. Oh, dude, he's just fucking gonna get murdered here. Oh, he's dead. He's basically dead. Oh, oh, that's painful to see, dude. Dude, this guy just is. The episode didn't even finish yet. So he's dead, right? He has to be dead. Oh damn! Did he get just dumped in the dumpster? Oh fuck! Oh fuck! They just chopped him all up. Wait, then how the hell does he come back alive? And how does that creature come back alive? Oh, oh, he drank his blood. Time to work. Cuts trees. Oh, yeah, she does care about the little devil guy. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, damn. So he told that his little creature that if it ever dies, he could actually come back alive. Wait, does he come back alive or does his memory ever come back alive? Wait, I don't get this. Like, who takes over? The devil or him? Wait, his dream is to have a girl, right? Or to get a score with a girl, if I remember correctly. So basically, this Danji guy is already dead, basically. So this devil takes over this guy's body. Oh, this is interesting. Wait, so wait, what? Is this like a hallucination? Oh. Okay, so Denji comes back alive. He's still himself, but he gets the heart or the aka the soul, I guess, from the devil. Wow. Okay. Okay. That is interesting, but also sad. Oh. Okay. 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 I see. This is interesting right here. Alright, Denji, you gotta kill them all, bro. To score a girl, you gotta defeat all these zombies, bro. Okay, dude, I'm ready. I'm ready for what's gonna happen. I've seen the trailer, and you know what? Seeing it like him doing it the first time, I'm interested on how they're gonna do it. Okay, yo, this build up, it's good. It's good right here. Ooh, okay. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Guess guess that's it for him. Oh, oh, hey, I hear it. Hey, hey, you started rumbling, my guy. Ooh, damn, that's a lot of blood. Oh, damn. Okay. Is this CGI? I can't tell if this is CGI right here. Yo, I gotta say, impressive still. I'm still impressed. Damn, bro. Oh, he's going all in, bro. He doesn't give a fuck. Oh, jeez. Eesh. Oh, that doesn't hurt for him. Ooh, ooh. Nice. Oh, wait, what is he doing? Oh, is he gonna fling at them, right? Nah, that doesn't matter, dude. He has chainsaws for his arms, bro. He could just slice that apart. You're like playing Fruit Ninja at this point, bro. Oof. Ooh. Hey, not bad. Oh, nice. Dude, that definitely reminds me of when Levi, you know, was going against the Beast. Oh, so he just went all the way down right in the middle. Oh, that was dead. I wonder how much money he could earn from that. Oh, those zombies, are they still alive? Oh, they're just dead brain right now. I mean, that only makes sense, right? Oh, okay, using his head? Nice. Yeah, like straight up, like why did he became that's the only thing that doesn't make sense right here. Like he just straight up just wanted to become a zombie to become a slave. Does not make sense right there. That's the only thing I have a difficult understanding. Besides that, fuck, that was awesome to see. And also sad to see that the chainsaw devil kind of like, you know, sacrificed himself to see the dream come true for our boy Denji. Which was, you know, pretty cool too. All right, here we go. Okay, the girl with the pink hair, I believe. So what's their purpose? What are they doing? Like, what do they do? Like, do they clean up the mess or do they go and attack the devils that did this? Oh, he's just standing there. Yeah, she's pretty calm about this, honestly. Strange smell. Oh, okay. She could indicate the smell of a human and a devil. Hug me? Oh, she did. Oh, whoa. So that's what happens. Oh, hey, not bad transformation right there, bro. So does this make him special because he was able to combine with another devil but still be him? This is a special case, that is for sure. So this is why people say he's like a dog. Okay, I see now. Like, what's for breakfast? Ooh, butter and jam, salad, coffee? Yo, this guy is living the life. A dessert. What's for dessert? That sounds awesome. Well, of course, man. My guy's been just eating bread. Okay, all right. I give them that. I give you guys this. The manga readers, everyone that's like been excited for this anime. For me, I kept my hype at the lowest but for you guys that have read the manga, know everything about this anime or whatever it is. Yes, the very first episode, very interesting, has a very good pacing of the protagonist for sure on how he becomes what he becomes at the later times. And actually, that was a good flashback too. Like, not too much, but not too little, but it gives us a quick understanding of what his past was like, you know? Like his mom getting like heart disease, and then his dad just hanging himself because of the debt that he owned the I guess the devil company or something. But fuck, man, I didn't think the protagonist was that like sad. Like his life was just fucked from the very beginning, honestly. I wonder how old he was during when his dad died, honestly. Was he like 9 or 8? So I'm pretty sure I think his heart disease is cured, actually, now that I think about it, because if his life has already been, oh wait, his heart is now made of a devil's heart, actually, now that I think about it. So he's not gonna die anymore from that heart disease, because the chainsaw dog or thing, whatever you call it, he pretty much gave his heart to Denji. Okay, so that's one thing. Oh, and his eyes, I think he got everything like reattached. Like his eyes is there again, and like I think his nuts. So now he could like produce more, I guess. But yeah, that was actually interesting. I was just expecting him to just get power, just like that. But in a way, he got power through death, pretty much, and from, well, some, you know, luck, of course, of the dog drinking his blood. But now that we got to see that flashback of the dogs getting, like, you know, consent from the human, saying that yes, you could, you know, take my body as for your purpose to do whatever, but to complete my dream, pretty much. I gotta say, the dog title, or the word dog, goes pretty hard in this anime. It looks like to me. Is everyone in the manga, they're like barking at the pink hair girl, I think. Which, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, yeah, I like the, wait, pink? Is it pink? Or no, okay, maybe it's red. Red hair, yeah. Maybe it is red. I don't know. It's just very hard to see the vibrant colors for this one. I mean, it does look red, but at times it could be orange, it looks like, or pink. I don't know. I just have hard at seeing colors. But was her name like Power? Was that her name, or was that like the girl with the horns? I don't know. It's like I've heard a lot of names throughout the trailer, and I kind of got confused by who was who. But all I know is that the protagonist's name is Denji, and Denji, right? Yeah. No, yeah, that was definitely cool. And if you guys want to fill me in on some of the things that they have missed throughout the 2 chapters, first chapter or the 3rd chapter, depending on how far they animated through episode 1, let me know without, of course, spoiling anything else beyond from today's episode. I would really appreciate that. Otherwise, that is all I got to talk about. If you guys want to see my reaction on the 2nd episode, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's it for today. I don't think I'm gonna be chopping this up. I'm just gonna put the full reaction, and if you guys want to see my full reaction, there you go. I'm just gonna put it on YouTube. Full on reaction right there. But yeah, I guess that's it. Been your boy Pereira Senpai, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.